Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make bread pizzas. First we need to put our oven for preheat at 370 degrees Celsius. Now look at our ingredients. We need bread, it could be whole wheat or white. Now I have taken a small chopped onion, half chopped capsicum, half chopped tomato, a ball of marbled cheese, chopped cabbage, oregano, chili flakes, and for the base of the bread I have taken half quantity of tomato ketchup and half quantity of chili sauce. So the next step, I'll spread the base on my breads. So you can spread your base on your breads like this. You can give a single layer, but if you really like more sauce, then you can give 2 layers also. Likewise, I'll prepare all 4 breads. For the next step, I'll take a bowl and mix all my vegetables. First I put onions, then capsicum, and all of my vegetables together. For spices, I've put oregano, chili flakes, and salt. You can put as per your taste. I'll mix it. It will give a colorful texture to my bread pizzas. You can add more toppings. You can add jalapeno and olives if you like. So now I'll spread all my base on my breads. And then I prepare all 4 breads. Now it's time to put cheese. If you don't like cheese, then you can remove it. But you can also add different kind of cheese, like if you like mozzarella or processed. It's up to your taste. But I have taken marble. It will take a good texture to my pizza. For the next step, I'm gonna put my breads in the oven for 5 to 10 minutes. Or when cheese gets melted, I'll take it out. Here, my bread is ready. It also has a crunchy texture at the bottom. Now my bread pizzas are ready to serve. If you like my video, please let me know your thoughts. Thank you.